Okay, next one up is this gorgeous Aprillia RSV4. This is one a neighbor of mine down in Dorset has just purchased. I helped him pick it up the other day. Wants me to give it a bit of a trotting. He wants some ceramic on it. It's quite nice condition. Got a few rusty nuts and bolts here and there. It's got some odd staining on these wheels. Unfortunately, they are a porous type metal, so fingers crossed I can get rid of those. We're going to sort all these discs out. A few nuts and bolts. Unfortunately, it has been cleaned with something previously that's taken all the red off these stickers, so I'm going to remove all those, get just the black tail section. I'll give it all good polish up. As this is going to get the ceramic, this will get a two-stage machine polish to remove any imperfections in the paintwork, get that windscreen all polished up, then we'll prep it and treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. I will put a bit of XCP on the motor, on your suspension link, as you see all those rusty bolts down there. It's a shame. It does live down by the beach, so maybe that's the problem with these, but I will touch all those up, get a bit of XCP on them afterwards. Nice to see a well lubed chain. So yeah, let's get her trotted. All right, back onto this Aprillia RSV4. I've managed to remove all those stickers on the back. We will machine polish that. We're just going to give it a bit of a wash. See if we can do something with these staining on these front wheels. See all that? Those black spots. We're gonna see if we can get the old Cartech wheel cleaner out, see if that does the trick. We're gonna sort out a few of these rusty nuts and bolts, and then we'll get it in the studio then, do some machine polishing on all the bodywork, get some ceramic on it. Let's give it a wash. Okay, back on this Aprillia RSV, we are going to do some machine polishing, get rid of some of these scratches where that decal was previously. We'll do a two-stage machine polish on all this, and then we'll prep it and we will airbrush the ceramic on. Okay, back on this lovely Aprillia. I've just been working on this tail section a bit. I've just done two-stage polish with the old Cartech 3000 and finished off with the 9000. Look at the gloss on that. I actually think it looks better without the stickers. Goes along nicely. Now we're going to get this tank polished, get this fairing polished, and then we're going to airbrush some ceramic on, and this bad boy is done. Let's remove these caliper bolts. They're looking a little shabby. See if we can do something with those. Quick little once over with a bit of elbow grease. They've come up like new. Look at that, they're like chrome. Much better. Jigsaw puzzle. Time to lay down the special sauce. Ultimaxx Signature Pro. This is a 5-year ceramic. So all the body work, we have done 2-3-stage polish on this. Managed to get all the little marks out. Look at the gloss. So now we're going to, it's all been prepped. Nice little alcohol mixture. Making sure to remove any oils or waxes that's left on there. Now we're going to lay down some special sauce. Nice, even strokes. We'll leave that on for a couple of minutes. And then we'll give it a good old buff off. This RSV is done. Lost that. There you go, near on 4 hours. This gorgeous Aprillia RSV4 RF has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, this thing is one sexy beast. This has had one of our Trot Full Works valets. I've done what I can with those wheels. Everything has been ceramic afterwards. All your engine bay, all your switch gear, everything has had a nice misting of ceramic. I've done a 2-3 stage polish on all this bodywork. Good old Car-Tech and the Flex machine, and then we've sealed it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Ho, ho, ho. My neighbor is gonna be chuffed. He has literally just purchased this bike, hasn't even ridden it yet. So now, let's get it loaded up as the rain's just starting, and on to the next.